So you wanted to get that email address of that person and you couldn't find it because probably the person has entered it online and there's no way you could get that email address. Guess what? You are in luck. In today's video, I'll be telling you all you need to know in getting that person's email address. In as much as you have the person's name and you have the person's website, guess what? You are covered. So in today's video, we'll be using two basic tools to help you in finding that lead that you need so you can send that cold email to that person. So if you are very excited about this video, do it to click on the subscribe button down there and hit the thumbs up so that more people get to see this video and interact with this video. I drop content like this on a weekly basis so that you'll be able to grow your business online and every other thing you need to know about online businesses. So if you're excited about that, please do it to subscribe below and hit the like button on this video. So let's jump into our computer where I teach you all the process you need to know in getting that particular person's email address. So let's jump in. Right, guys, I'm on my system right now. So I said earlier we'll be using two software. The two software we're using are LinkedIn and Onta.io. So please do it to follow through with the entire process, because if you skip any part of it, you might not get the email address of the person you're looking for. So if you follow through this process, you'll be able to get all the email address of any person you are looking for and generate leads for your business in 2022. So without wasting much time, let's just start. So if you don't have a LinkedIn account, do it to create one for yourself. So let's start with LinkedIn. So first thing we do on LinkedIn is to type the probably are looking for real estate agent. So you type in the word real estate agent in the search button. You'll click on people and also click on the country or the state you want to search for, and you also click the company if you know the company the person is from. So you see there are a lot of people that will come outside from this. So you open their personal profile on a new tab. Let's open their personal profile on a new tab. So if what we're going to do here is try to see, probably this is an ideal client we want to reach out to for our business. We have a business proposal I want to pitch to them, but we don't have their email address. So if you follow through this process, you'll be able to get their email address. So let's just open as much as we can. So we'll be able to go through each and every one of them and try to get their email address and generate this list for our business. So you see, okay, let's open all of this. Let's open all of this and see how we can be able to find their email addresses and reach out to them via email and send our proposals to them. Okay, so let's wait a little. The thing is loading up. Remember, guys, to let's open there. Okay, let's search for the person's. Okay, this one is opened up. Okay, let's wait a little. The internet is acting slow. This. Okay, let's see. So take for instance, we want to look for our email address. Let's use profile first. We also use other profile because I think we'll be able to get some with just using LinkedIn, but others we need to use onta.io to look for. So take for instance, we want to get our email address. You see where it wrote contact info. Yeah, so let's go to the about section first. You scroll down because some of them leave their contact info in this about section, so some people don't know about that, so they won't be able to access that person's email because they don't know about that. But because you're here, you have gotten to know about that. So after using that, the next thing we are supposed to do is look at the contact info. So in our contact info, you can see uh, email address isn't here. We don't have an email address, but we do have our website and our birthday. So all we need to look for our email address using onta.io is our name and our website. So what onta.io will do, that's the next tool we'll be using, is to go through our website and see if there's any email address linked to it. Yeah, that's what Hunter.io will do. Go through our email address, go to our website and see if there's any email address linked to it. So if after going through all the content on our website, Hunter.io is able to detect any email address, it will show on the software. So let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let's just follow through the process. Stick with me as I show you how to get this particular person's email address. Okay, so let's click on proceed to. Okay, yeah, this my software, my Chrome sometimes misbehave. So let's just copy the website. Let's just copy the website so we can use the other tool I was talking about. Okay, you click on copy. So the website is loading. Yep, it's loading. So guys, do it to drop a like button on this video so that more people get to see this video and interact with this video so that they'll get the value that's been dished out on this video. So while it loads, you can scroll to the bottom to see if you can find the email address there. Oftentimes their email address is there, but don't worry if you don't have it. Yeah, you can see we've seen one here. Yes, that's one of the email, but the website is loading here. The internet is pretty poor today, so I'm just trying to flow with it. So do bear with me while it loads. Okay, so this is the website. So yeah, so you can see once we scroll down, we saw the website of the client or the supposed person we are going to message. So our email address was there. So we could have just copied that and send the person the email address, send the person the email we want to send. But if you don't, take note, you should have like a Google Sheet or a Microsoft Sheet or Excel page open down, so you'll be able to compare these leads so you don't lose them. So you should have like a sheet open down, a Google Sheet, where you have their names, their business name, their company name, something like that, their email addresses, their websites, all those kind of stuff. So you also have an Excel sheet open down, so you'll be able to compile the list and send out the email ones. Okay, so let's scroll down. Scrolling down here, let's see that email address we've seen just now. You can see where's it? Where's the email address? Yeah, there's it. That's it. So look at the email address we saw just now. So that's the email address of this company. Don't worry, I will teach you how to get this email address. This may just be the business address of the person and it might not get a quick reply. So I'll teach you how to get the person's personal professional email address so you can get quick reply. So you can copy this email you got from the website and this one you'll be getting from Hunter.io. So the business owner will quickly reply you. So sign up to Hunter.io. You basically need a professional business email, and in this channel I've talked about how to create a professional business email. So if you have not checked that out or you don't have a professional business email, check the video on how to create a professional business email for free. It's entirely free, 100% free. You don't need to pay anything. So I haven't created this account. So what you need to do is go over to the top here and click on Finder. So we are going to find the email address. So there are other things you can do. You can verify the email address and you can compare leads. But the first thing we'll do here is to paste the person's website. Then you see that's the website there. Then the other thing we do is to paste the person's name. So let's go back to the person's name. So this is her name. So let's copy her name and paste it on that name space. So let's copy that, paste it on the namespace, and we do search. So this is what most most business owners use to get their email address of people they want to send an email across to. You see here it said verified, meaning Hunter.io have seen this email on the person's website, so you can copy this email address and the other email address you got on the website. So you just copy the two when you are sending the email. Copy one of the, you make this one you are seeing now the primary email, while you copy that other email from the website, so the person will be able to respond to your email on time. So with these two tools, you should be able to get any email address of any person. In as much as that person is on LinkedIn and that person has a website, you should be able to get that person's email address. It's as easy as this. All you need to do is have their website and have their name on LinkedIn, and you are good to go. Yeah, you can copy this website to the email you'll be sending to that person, and you get a quick reply. So that's basically it, guys. That's basically all you need to know about getting any lead, generating leads for your business online. So that's just it. So if you've enjoyed it, smash the like button on this video so that more people get to enjoy from this. It's just as basic as this. Some people will have their contact info on the contact info, so be sure to look at that, while others will have it at their about info. So that's just it, guys. That's just it. That's it. So that's just everything you need to know. So I think I am pretty sure you found this video valuable using just two tools, LinkedIn and Hunter.io. So let's jump back to our main main camera where we conclude this video. I'm sure you like this video. Before we jump back, please smash the like button now. Thank you very much, and let's jump back. Okay, that's it for this week video. So I've talked about the various steps you could get any person's email address. So if you follow through this process I've talked about in this video, you should be able to get any person's email address in as much as that person has an internet and has a website and has a name that you know, that's the person's name, you know the person's name, you'll be able to get that person's email address. So that's just it. So you can send leads, you can get endless leads using this method I've taught you about. So do it to subscribe if you haven't done that already, and hit this like button, hit the like button on this video so that more people will get to see this video. So until next time, guys, please keep staying safe, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.